Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to unstar a video in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've been using Google Drive for a while, you might have starred several files or videos to easily access them later. However, if you find that you no longer need a video in your starred section, unstarring it is a simple process. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your files. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to locate the video you want to unstar. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top if you know the name of the video. Next, look for the three dots next to the video file. This icon represents more options for that specific file. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to organizing your file. Click on Organize. This will open another window where you can manage how your files are categorized within Google Drive. Now, here comes the final step. Find and click on Remove from Starred. This option will unstar the video and remove it from your starred list. Once you do this, you'll notice that the video is no longer marked as starred, making your starred section less cluttered and easier to navigate. And that's it. You've successfully unstarred a video in Google Drive on your PC. By following these straightforward steps, you can keep your starred items organized and only include those that are truly important to you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Google Drive and other digital tools effectively. See you next time.